channel, The Offbeat Couple. It's me, Dimpy Sangvi, and I'm here with Shashank in Barcelona, Spain. Oh my god, I can't believe it that I'm actually here. It's been on my bucket list since the longest time. I'm so excited to bring this whole city to you guys, the culture, the food, the experiences. So stay tuned and keep watching.
5 p.m. and now we are heading for the sunset cruise. We're just walking around the La Ramblas and we need to go to the pier where we have the cruise. And we're all excited.
It's like the best way to explore any city, na, by walking.
Of
So
course,
we thought
walking
we'll walk
is the
a
best
bit,
place because we've been walking, seeing the architecture, the people around. So I think first day whenever you're in a city, it's the best way to explore the place. What a vibe in Barcelona. I mean, it's 6 p.m. and we're just heading for the cruise. Everyone's out, everyone's chilling, there's a lot of cafes, the whole pier, the promenade, a lot of yachts here.
Well done, you got it. Step. Well done. Hello, my friend.
Hello, how are you? Yo, sailing in Barcelona.
These are all the billionaire boats here.
Offrez-moi du personnel, j'en ferai quoi? Un manoir.
Hola.
So we are enjoying here, having a drink at the rooftop place in W Hotel. Hola from Barcelona, guys. So it's a new day here and I'm all ready to step out. Really loving my look for the day. So edgy. But before I head out, let's talk about something that's been a real struggle while traveling. Dandruff. You know, sun exposure, pollution and extreme weather can make my scalp dry and flaky and itchy, and that's why I use the Mamaearth Lemon Anti-Dandruff Shampoo and Conditioner. It removes dandruff up to 100% naturally while keeping my hair soft. Unlike harsh anti-dandruff shampoos, this one has no harmful chemicals, just the natural goodness of lemon and ginger. It has salicylic acid, an antifungal agent that not only removes dandruff but also softens the scalp. So my hair feels fresh, and paired with conditioner, it makes my hair feel healthy and smooth all day. So guys, if you want 100% dandruff removal and soft hair, do try them out. Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Purple. Also, you can use my coupon code OB2025 on their official website and app to get up to 20% off. It's exclusive to the official site, guys. And I've also mentioned the links in my description box. So yeah, now it's time to head out and explore Barcelona.
So guys, it's a new day in Barcelona and today first day what we are doing is we are doing an Airbnb tour. So we are walking around the La Rambla street, understanding the whole culture, the history of Barcelona, and we have Enrique with us. Hi Enrique, how are you?
I'm good, I'm good.
Very good. So what are we gonna do today?
Well, it's going to be a 2-hour tour, especially from the old town.
Okay, Old Town. Okay. What's this place called? Plaza?
Plaza Real.
Plaza Real. Okay. This is one of the most famous squares where people come to chill and a lot of cafes around. Now we are heading to
The market. It's a very popular market.
the Buquera market. It's one of the most beautiful markets.
We've got some chocolate with Nutella. Looks really delicious.
Let's go.
Yeah, walk around the market. So you get to see the Gothic architecture here. We are roaming inside the lanes right parallel to La Ramblas, and we have beautiful boutique stores here. Zara is so beautiful and so huge, guys. I'm sure all of you must have seen it all over social media. The Barcelona Zara is quite big, and look at the structure, the dome structure in the center. So pretty. Okay, so we took a short nap and now we are ready to go out party.
It's a Friday night.
Yeah.
We're just checking out some bars, some nice speakeasy bar. Maybe we start with the rooftop bar. The night we go to speakeasy bar, clubbing. Because Friday, Saturday is good season.
It should be a good night, yeah. Let's go. Wow, what a stunning building, right? Look at the architecture.
It's the best work of art from Anthony Gaudi, who's the famous architect. And this is one of the masterpieces what they've created. A lot of people come here to see this. Casa Barcelona.
So we've come to this rooftop place in Hotel Majestic, and cheers. We're having red wine. The view is amazing. This place is gorgeous, yeah. And we see the Sagrada Familia right opposite us. What a gorgeous view. Yeah.
So who's here?
Oh my god! Yes! Hi, Pearl! Pearl is in the house, yeah.
Paul is taking me to all the best bars in Barcelona.
En España.
Yeah.
Welcome, welcome. Hola chicas, ¿qué tal? Es un restaurante.
Barcelona, guys! So we are at the El Bon district now. This place is filled with bars, cocktail bars. Yeah. We have to decide which one we are going to now.
Espanyol.
Ready for a new day in Barcelona.
Yes, all excited. It's a Saturday night. So guys, now we are at the Sagrada Familia, which is one of the most famous churches in Europe, and it is the largest unfinished church, and it's made by Antoni Gaudi. You can see all around Spain, like he is one of the best architects. You see the building, so beautiful, it's like mesmerizing. You can just walk around. So right next to the Sagrada Familia, we have the FCB Barcelona. I think this is a museum over here. Let's check it out. Yeah, I think it's a museum. I'm not sure. There's an exhibition over there. A lot of all the football fans out here. So we are at Park Güell right now. We didn't get tickets because they're sold out on Monday, but we managed to hop on a tour, which is an Italian tour. So we are at Mustafa for a quick bite, and hey, how is it going, man? Yeah, so we are here, we are just trying the falafel kebabs, taking this beer, Estrella. So we've got a falafel kebab, and let me try. So good. So guys, now we are at Paradiso.
Yeah, it is among the top 50 best bars in the
India,
world.
yeah.
And it's a speakeasy bar, so the front looks like.
I'll show you how the front looks like.
Hello guys, welcome to Brazil. Where you from?
India, Mumbai.
Mumbai? Delhi, namaste pai.
So thank you.
Welcome. Welcome to Brazil, Mumbai.
Hola.
Alright guys, so we are inside Paradiso, which is among the top 50 bars in the world, and I'm just blown away looking at the menu. I mean, look at this. How cool is this? And they also have a picture of the drink. So really excited about what I'm going to have tonight. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Cheers. Hola guys. So it's a new day again in Barcelona, ready to head out. Just walked out of our hotel and gonna get a cab. We are today going to Montjuic Hill. It's supposed to be really nice. You can see the city from there, and also guys, if you're trying to get a cab here, you have to find one at the taxi stand because you cannot just like wave your hand and stop one anywhere. So this is the taxi stand and you can find many cabs here. We are going up the hill and the views are stunning already. We have reached the top of Montjuic and we came by the taxi, but you can also take the cable car right there. And now we are heading inside this really cool spot here where we can grab a drink and have a great view of the city.
It's a Sunday, so a lot of tourists, the locals also have come here. You can see the whole Barcelona over there.
So we grabbed some lunch at Little India. We had some Indian food, guys.
And now we
Soul food. Yeah, and now what?
Now I think we'll walk around Plaza de Gracia.
The Gracia, okay, the huge road with all the shopping stores and restaurants and stuff. It's like a very popular road.
I think
Great to walk.
Passage de Gracia.
Gracia. Oh my god, the names are
I mean, you need to
Something.
know Spanish.
yeah. Last night in Barcelona, and we decided to do something unique. We are going for the flamenco show. Shashank is getting ready, and as always, I'm ready before him. Let's go. Yeah, also, dressing wise, I feel that I just love the dressing here because when you're going out to party and going to bar hopping and all sorts of things, you can really like wear casuals, comfy clothes with your boots and your jackets and stuff like that. I really love this kind of dressing. This is more of my style rather than wearing dresses and heels. So I'm so happy to party in these kind of clothes here. Having some churros dipped in Nutella.
I think all the clubs are in this area. You can see Pasha over here, Casino Barcelona. There's Opium right there. There's Carpe Diem over there. So we'll have to show you around. So guys, finally we are at the Barcelona airport and now we're heading back. We had an amazing last 4 days in Barcelona. I mean, we explored each and every part of the city, the La Ramblas, the Gothic Quarter, the Elbon district for night parties, bars, the Montjuic Hill.
and yeah, it was an amazing experience. This was the first time, so we really loved it. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel, The Offbeat Couple. Till then, safe travels.